will have Alyssa Valdez, who's just to prove to you that Alyssa is here. Here's Alyssa walking in front of us and waving to everybody. Alyssa, I thought she'd take a break, not really play in this tournament, but I think they need her, despite the fact they do have also Joanna Maraginot in that lineup, now beginning to shine for this team.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, let's first talk about Maraginot in their previous match, 23 against UST and 13 against San Sebastian.
Na rin lahat, yes. I'm here with Alyssa Valdez, her best player of the game, who scored 22 points in this match. So, Ali, basically, yung, for the most part, in control naman din kayo sa game. So, what do you think is the advantage of Ateneo over Lasal Dasmariñas?
Well, definitely siguro nag-work talaga yung blockings namin today with Bea and Amy and Amadi and Kim, of course. So, siguro yun lang yung naging maliit na advantage namin against Lasal.
And then, there are some points during the game, especially sa third set, na medyo dumidikit, tapos na lumamang pa sila. So, during those times, what do you think naman yung, saan ba nagkulang yung Ateneo, kaya nakahabol or nakalamang sila?
Siguro yung namin, yung focus namin inside the game. Sige, syempre, hindi naman may iwasan after two sets. Medyo yung pang third set, medyo magiging complacent kami. But then, Coach Ty and the other teammates naman will always push us to the end. So, ayan.
Okay, and because you played well today, Shakey's has a special gift for you. And you also have a chance to greet lahat ng supporters nyo.
First, sa family ko dyan sa San Juan, Batangas, hello po. I miss you all. And to all the fans na hindi nakapunta, hello po sa dyan sa bahay. And to all the fans na andito, maraming salamat po. And to all my friends, hi. And ayan lang naman. Belated happy birthday sa cousin ko, Talay. Happy birthday!
Okay, congratulations, Ali. Back to you, Noreen and Seb.
Congratulations, Alyssa, getting to be a familiar sight here in the Shakey's.